Can we do it then?
Have you ever wondered how a drone can hover in one place? Even when there's wind? No ropes, no support, just perfect balance in the air. It might look effortless, but behind every stable flight is a combination of smart technology working together in real time. Every drone continuously measures its position, movement, and surroundings many times every second. Sensors such as the gyroscope and accelerometer detect even the smallest tilt or movement, while the flight controller processes this information instantly and adjusts the motors to keep the drone stable. GPS also plays an important role by helping the drone maintain its position during outdoor operations. Together, these systems help the drone stay balanced while carrying out different tasks. But stability isn't just about smooth flying. For applications like aerial mapping, infrastructure inspections, and agricultural spraying, stable flight helps capture consistent visuals, follow planned flight paths, and support accurate data collection. That's why professional drone operations begin with proper planning, equipment checks, and suitable flying conditions. Organizations such as Garuda Aerospace develop and deploy drone systems designed for a variety of operational applications, where stable flight supports reliable mission execution. Because every smooth flight you see is the result of thousands of small adjustments happening every second, making stability one of the most important parts of modern drone technology.